Hello, here I have this old recloser can that I gutted. I stuck a giant electric fence controller circuit inside of it, and I have it being powered by my huge 6-volt solar panel that's outside, and that wire runs outside of the solar panel. So let's test it out and see what it does. It's pretty much a giant CL network, a capacitive and inductive circuit. So let's see what it does. About a half-inch long arc. That's nasty. I just stuck a 100-watt incandescent bulb on it. Let's see what it does. See if it lights the bulb. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's nasty. Look at it drain the CL network. Wow. That's nasty. I don't think I would want to get shocked by that. So here's the circuit. I got my solar panel right here. Positive, negative. Positive going to the 120 to 12 volt step-down transformer. This is the 12 volt side. This is the 120 volt side. You have 2 transistors and 2 resistors that turn it into AC. You have your DC to AC inverter over here, and you have your AC coming over to this multiplier that turns it into higher voltage DC. You have your voltage multiplier turning your 120 volts AC up to about 400 volts DC. Down here you have the CL network, which is the big parts in that recloser can. You got your capacitor here, you got your big inductor here. I'm using the high voltage winding from a microwave oven transformer. And you have your output right here. You got your negative and you got your positive DC. And there's your ground right there, grounding the negative. Your capacitor charged up here, and you have it going through the coil into the output. When something goes across this output and lets go, it causes a power surge. And as you saw there in the one video, I made a half-inch long arc from it. Because of the coil holding the magnetic field together, that 400 volts turned into about 20,000. Low voltages are more susceptible to power surging than high voltages. Because of this ground here going right to the negative, if you're standing on ground and you touch that positive wire, you're going to get shocked by the power surge. This is just a little experiment because you know me, I like to make the biggest, baddest, most dangerous voltages and currents I can. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. There's my giant electric fence controller that I made.